Well friends, this here is the Wolfbox Dashcam, backup cam, and rear view mirror. It clamps onto your existing rear view mirror. There's the forward cam, and this is the display. Okay, so that's the camera. If you set it up using their special Hardwire kit, not only does it perform all those functions, it does time-lapse photography in security mode anytime the engine's not running. Now this is the Hardwire kit. It runs off, you need an unswitched power tap and a switched power tap. Goes through this power supply, provides a C connector. But there's a problem with this. We don't know which blade of that fuse the wire connects to. If it connects to one side and you plug it in a particular way, the power will pass through the fuse to the wire. But if you flip it over, the power will pass straight to the wire, and even if the fuse blows, the wire will still be hot. So after a week of trying to get them to understand the question at all, they sent me a photograph showing that the power goes from this leg to the wire. But for a whole week, they told me it was either way and it didn't matter. So I don't trust their answer. As far as I'm concerned, there's only 50% chance that that's even right. And I've just cut the wire, but we're going to see inside just to find out if they gave me the right information. And yep, they did. And look at that. There's a resistor in there that they didn't tell us about. So friends, I would actually recommend the Wolfbox Rear View Dashcam. It is a 4K camera. It's a pretty high-end unit. I'm going to reach out to them and ask them to include this vital bit of information in their instructions, because without that, you might connect that wire directly to the live power source, and even if the fuse blows, it'll still be live and you could cause a fire. Of course, that is a pretty small wire, so the fire would probably be pretty small, but who knows? If a guy had a little bit of acetone on the carpet, that's all it takes. Anyway, that's all for now. Have a good one.